Hello, and welcome to Kids Start Spanish. I want to make just a short video to give you some strategies for teaching your child Spanish. Now, the journey may start with this particular program, but there's a lot of good content out there for little or no money, and I want to make sure that all children benefit from it. So here we go. Number one, trust the process. Know that there's a specific reason why we make the recommendations that we do on the Kids Start Spanish instruction sheet that came with your program. Now, I won't get into the steps of the program here in this particular video, but I wanted you to be sure that it works and that you'll be amazed by the results just as we're amazed by the results, literally on a daily basis. The Kids Start Spanish program is being used in schools and in homes all over the world to teach children Spanish, and we're sure that we can help your child start on a lifelong journey of learning. Number two, Netflix. Netflix can help. Netflix has tons of great family movies that have Spanish audio. The great thing about Netflix is that they're constantly making changes and updating their offerings so you can expose your child to an ever-expanding lineup of movies and other programs. I've included a link in the description below of this video to a site that has an updated list of Spanish audio or dubbed movies that you can watch with your child on Netflix. Number three, go on meetup.com and find Spanish-speaking groups. You'll see lots of parents on there that want to expose their child to a new language. And if you're in Orlando, well, we run just such a group here in Orlando, and you're more than welcome to come. Now, if there isn't a group in your area, then it's up to you to start one. You'll get lots of members in no time. I've heard lots of stories. You'll probably have dozens of members in just a couple weeks, and it's free to run. So, number four, watch our storytime sessions. We have native Spanish readers who read stories on our Facebook page. Check out our Facebook feed to watch recorded stories and follow our page so you can be notified of live storytime sessions where we read children's stories such as Goldilocks and The Ugly Duckling and more, all live. Number five, sign up to be a tester for our new program. We're always working to improve, and by signing up to be a tester, you get our new animated program, a $200 value at no cost. And all we ask for is for your feedback in return. So no commitment at all. See the link below to sign up for that. So that's it for now. I don't want to take up too much of your time, as I'd rather you use that same time to teach your child a new language. I do want to close in saying that if you need anything at all, whether you need more resources, you don't feel like you're making progress, if you would like to get one-on-one help, we're here to help, and our services are always free. So please contact us through our Facebook page, and we'll make sure to take good care of you. That's it for now. Thank you. Goodbye. Enjoy.